loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing our monthly Boxycharm unboxing. Excuse the way I look. I really didn't want to like get dressed up just to do this video, so hopefully you guys, let me zip it up a little, hopefully you guys understand, and you know, I hope you guys are okay with how I'm dressed. And yeah, so if you want to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm, please keep on watching. So the first thing that I am going to take out is this South Main 3 eye gel packs. So this retails for $10. It comes with 3 eye gel packs, I guess, and it says that it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturize eye area. Me, I already have my makeup done, so I can't really try this, but if you want, I can try this and I can let you guys know whether it's good or not, or whether you should get it, or if you know it was actually good. So yeah, we'll see what that is. So the next thing in the box is this Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in Prime or Prime Vixen, I don't know. And this blush retails for $26. I'm not going to be putting this blush on my face because I know that I will not be using this blush on everyday basis or like a regular basis. So what I'm going to do is whatever makeup that I get from Boxycharm or that I get in general that I know that I'm not going to use, or you know, like just I know that that's not something that I'm going to wear, I'm going to put it in a pile, and maybe not, I will start giving away like makeup that I know that I'm not going to use. So I'm going to put this in the pile, and I'm going to keep letting the pile stack up and stack up until I feel like it's big enough that I can do a big giveaway. So yeah, well, the next thing in the box is this Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Brush Set. It comes with 3 brushes, and this retails for $23.15. You get 3 brushes. This is what they look like. They're kind of like sleek. I kind of like them. So there is a palette in this box, so I will be using these brushes with the palette. So let's, I guess, get into the next product in the box, which is this Pure the Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $36. And it says this is what it looks like. Sorry guys, it's like a mirror. But it says Boxycharm and Pure, so I guess Boxycharm, I was gonna say linked up, but I guess Boxycharm, you know, collaborated with Pure Cosmetics to make this beautiful palette. It's actually really pretty. I really like the colors and stuff. I don't want to blind you, so let me go like this. Yeah, so I guess like I'm gonna do an eyeshadow look using this palette and these brushes. Let's see how good these brushes is, and let's see how good this palette is. I already primed my eyes with some concealer, and I set them with my setting powder that I set my face with. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so this brush set doesn't have a blending brush, so I'm gonna go in with one of my blending brush. This is a Morphe M502. So we are going to pick up this shade. No, matter of fact, I'm gonna take another brush. Oh, this is my setting my eyelids brush, and we are going to take this color. Let me turn it. We are going to take this color, and it's called Perfect, like perfect or perfect, I don't know. But we are going to set our lids, and this is like my skin color, so it should be good. Okay, so now we are going to take the next color in the palette, and this is called Naked. These names are really cute. Oh wow, there's a lot of kick up and fallout. Oh no, I hope it's good. Let's see. Okay guys, so I just took that Naked shade, and yeah, this one, and I just put it all over, well not all over, but on top of my lid, my crease, not my lid, and I just, you know, like intensified it. So I don't know honestly what eyeshadows I want to use. I seen everybody use this blue, and I kind of want to use it because it's kind of like calling my name. But I don't know, like this one is calling my name too, this one, like all of them are calling my name. So I think I'm gonna do an eyeshadow look on this coming soon just to see like all the colors. But so far I really, whoa, okay, so far I'm loving the palette, I'm loving how it blends out, and I'm loving the pigments, and I'm loving the colors in this palette. So I think what I'm going to do, let me see. Okay, now I think that I'm going to, I don't know guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this one on my lower lash line, and I'm going to use this color in half of my inner corner, and then I'm gonna try to do like a little bit with this color, and then I'm gonna like smoke it out with this. Okay guys, so I just cut like my inner corner, like my inner crease corner, whatever. So I'm gonna take this flat shader brush, and I'm going to pick up this pink color, and I'm gonna put it where I put my concealer. Wow, super pigmented. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be taking, okay, with the same flat shader brush, I'm gonna flip it to the clean side. It's not really that clean, but I'm gonna be taking BFF. This, okay, that was Bay. This color that I put on my inner half of my lid was Bay. Now I'm gonna take BFF, and I'm gonna put it like sandwiching it to the color that I'm gonna put on my outer corner. Now I'm gonna be taking this little angled, like, I don't know what it's like, okay, it has steps on it actually, so it's a step 2 for the shadow, but I'm gonna just use it for this dark brown. I don't know if it's a dark brown, it looks like a dark brown, and I'm gonna put it like on the outer corner of my eyelid. taking my blending brush again, and I'm gonna be blending like, no, first I'm gonna go back in with my transition color. I'm gonna take this color and I'm gonna like blend it out. It says step 3 and it says girl, go girl go. So I'm gonna be just taking this blue color. Okay, no, first I'm gonna highlight my inner corners with Charmer. Okay, it's not coming on the brush, but let's see. Okay, yeah, so now I'm gonna be taking that blue color and I'm gonna be smoking it under my lash line. Let's see if it's gonna work. So guys, this is the look on my eyes that I completed using the Pure and Boxycharm eyeshadow palette and 3 Vintage Cosmetics brushes. Sorry, my boyfriend is calling me. But I really like these brushes, and I really like this palette. So yeah, this is the Butter London Iconolast Mega Volume Lacquer Mascara, and this retails for $20. It says that it volumized and shines, experience 300% increase in volume. The molded brush builds volume and defines each lash. So we're just gonna put this on our eyes, and then I think that we will be done with this video, guys. My camera's about to die, so I gotta hurry. What the mascara looks like. I like the packaging. It's very sleek, it's very cute. I'm gonna put this on my eyes real quick before my camera dies. Okay, so the wand is like the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade. So let's see. Mascara looks like on my eyes. I don't really like my lashes to be like thin or spidery or nothing like that. I like them to be like thick and like full. So I would have to keep using this mascara. I mean, it's not bad, it's not horrible, but it's not my preference. But I'm gonna keep using it. You're gonna see it in a bunch of videos, and yeah. So before my camera dies, I have to hurry up because my camera's about to die.